Okay, I'm gonna take these and trim a little bit so they're going to be about the same size, matched up like this, same width as the pulleys on the engines, so that they'll match up, and that way if I make a little wider belt when I'm making belts, it'll also fit on this generator setup. So this is going to get turned into a pulley. I have my Dremel. I'm going to trim these, and I'm going to take a piece of this leftover brass tubing from the modifications on the vertical engine and just slip it down in to strengthen between the two, because there's a bigger hole here and a smaller hole there. I'm going to glue everything up as square as I can, and then I'll be able to drill out just to fit on the end of the motor as a generator. So first things first, time to do some trimming. There we go, that still fits in there relatively well. Just get a little mark on there, and oh, that brass is heating up an awful lot. Have I got a pair of pliers or something to hold with? No. But I have that's what I have. There we go. And very much know that is incredibly warm. Yep. So there. Very carefully get that one screw in there and push that side and that side, and there we go. That fits relatively well, and I am just gonna there. Now it's loosened up.